Hello everyone friends. Today on this channel I'll show how to find and remove all viruses from your iPhone. Actually, viruses on iPhones can only exist in two places, in your browsers and in downloaded files. Browsers are quite easy to clean. Let's go to settings. I'll use Safari as an example. Open Safari and click the button to clear history, dates, and website data. Make sure you don't have any important information you need to save before clicking this button, as it will erase everything. The second step is checking your files, finding suspicious browser files and deleting them, or at least moving them elsewhere. That's it. Like and subscribe to the channel. Oh wait, actually it's not over yet. Also pay attention to your phone's security updates. Just go to General and Software Update. Keep an eye on updates here. That was me. Like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye everyone.